Hello traders, today we are going to check about all the Forex currency pairs, gold as well as Bitcoin. So let's see one by one. So we got a Euro USD chart. So Euro USD monthly chart, market is moving in a descending channel. So it's in a clear downtrend. So after hitting the lower high area, market is falling. So we can expect more downward movement for Euro USD if it breaks this support, or else we can expect a consolidation over this area from here to here, from 1.05 to 1.11. So you can expect a consolidation. But right now, Euro USD is moving in a very strong down trend, and USD has broken the higher low as well as the recent support area right here by today. So looks like a good opportunity for sell. After Trump victory, US dollar has becoming so strong because of the confidence the investor have with the Trump. So let's go to the smaller time frame, 4 time frame. Euro USD is moving in a still moving in a downtrend and is in a challenge. So I think Euro USD might have chances to pull back a little bit. Then we can expect one more down because it is located near to the support area. If you look at the daily chart, you may know it. So it is near to the support. So support level, it's like around another 400 points. So might have chances to move down and then up again. So Euro USD have more chances to fall. So let's go to Pound USD. Pound USD monthly chart. It has already broken the major resistance lower high area, but still it looks like market have chances to move down again by like a reversal. It looks like a fake breakout if you look out the one or like a 2 month chart or 3 month chart. So it's just a monthly time frame. If you look at the 3 month time frame, you can see the pound USD is trying to move down by forming a big wick candle wick. So it's like a rejection out there. So we can expect pound USD to move down again, like at least to this level 1.22 or 1.23. Well, coming to the mm, daily time frame, pound USD following the Euro USD pair. So Euro USD broke on the high low already, and pound USD also broken the high low. So it's trying to move down, but pound USD is consolidating more, not like Euro USD. Euro USD is consolidating a little bit, but it's trying to move down more. If you see here, it just made a small correction and then it fell down sharply. But pound USD is moving up, down, up, down, up, down. So pound USD is consolidating more comparing to Euro USD. Well, in this, so let's look out this channel, descending channel. So still pound USD is in a strong consolidation. It's like a support resistance. So resistance, support, resistance, support. So let's wait for pound USD to fall to the support, and if it breaks the support, it might have chances to go down more until the next support, which is around 1800 points, like 200 pips down. That is possible. And AUD USD, Australia US dollar. Well, Australian US dollar is still at the higher low area, but still we can expect a downward movement on Australian US dollar. So I believe Australian USD will break this high low, and then it can fall like it will fall like any other market, like waterfall. And let's go to New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD market is moving in a strong downtrend. You can see the last month candle has broken like a 4,000 points down. It fell 4,000 points, which is so big and try to make a correction, but it shows that there are a lot of sellers or they are in New Zealand USD. So New Zealand USD is going to move down. However, New Zealand USD still have chances, like it's trying to consolidate right over here. So before breakout at the bottom, the market will consolidate more and then it will break the bottom. So let's wait and see. And then USD JPY, it's moving up continuously. So after Trump victory, all US pairs are getting strong. There is no doubt that. So let's look out New Zealand is a smaller time frame, which is not a smaller time frame. Here, 1 hour time frame. So New Zealand USD still have chance to move down under the 400 points. Still moving in a downtrend. So New Zealand USD is still moving in a downtrend. USD JPY up, and gold. Gold has broken the. Well, if you see the gold has broken the high low area and retested the level, and then it starts to fall. So gold have more chances to move down because it is in a strong downturn. It also broken the ascending channel, which is a strong uptrend line. In the smaller time frame, gold is just consolidating up and down. Silver. Silver still have more chances to fall. Silver still have room space to fall until the steady price level. Then we can expect one more up, but it follows the gold. So let's wait for the silver to fall until another 100 pips. Next, USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc is moving in a very strong uptrend. So we can expect a reversal around this 60 price level. It's possible. Can expect some small correction from around the 65th level. So just around 0.8860. So let's wait for USD Swiss franc to perform. You can see our previous charts, it's moving up continuously. And then pound Swiss franc. Well, pound Swiss franc also moving in a very strong uptrend. That is no that it's trying, it will move up. So pound Swiss franc. Next, USD Canadian dollar. This is the pair that we are expecting breakout very soon. So after the breakout, we can see a big rise in this market. So USD Canadian dollar. Then USD JPY. It's moving in a strong uptrend. It is relentlessly moving in a uptrend by forming higher highs and higher lows. So Euro Australian dollar is moving down. Pound Australia is moving down. USD yen. Pound Canadian dollar. Well, it is consolidating very well between 2000 points. You need to wait for the breakout, either at the top or at the bottom. So please wait for the breakout. Wow, looks like Euro Canadian have more chances to fall because after a long time, Euro Canadian dollar has broken the support level. Looks like Euro CAD will fall more. Yeah, it's a very good opportunity, I believe. Euro CAD good for selling, but still, if you look at the high low, it looks like it is standing exactly at the high low area. However, Euro CAD is moving in an uptrend. It's still, it is like at the top, at the resistance level. So if you look at this is the resistance level, if it continues to move up, it can move up until 1.58. So due to euro weakness, euro Canadian dollar is falling down. This one, it's very clear that it has broken the support. Yeah, very clear breakout. Euro pound is also moving a very strong downtrend. So looks like the euro got more weaker now after Trump victory. Well, euro New Zealand is also the support, but it has broken the ascending channel. So you can expect all the euro pair to fall. Simply pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand is moving in a down descending channel. Pound out remains the same. Australia Canadian dollar. Well, Australia Canadian dollar is moving in a. It's also moving in a descending triangle pattern, but it is consolidating for a long time. So you need to wait for Australian Canadian dollar to break out the top, either to break the top or else wait for the confirmation of reversal. So Australia Canadian looks like it is at the high low. Australia New Zealand dollar, well, it is still moving in a ascending channel. So let's look out some other pairs in a different time frame. So far, US dollar is very stronger now. It's very, very strong. So keep buying USD. Even Bitcoin hit the all-time high. If you look at the Bitcoin, it hits the all-time high, and it already broke the $73,000 mark last week after Trump victory. So after Trump victory, why the Bitcoin breaks all the all-time high? The reason is Bitcoin have more chances to move up because Trump supports Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. He got donation from cryptos, so for his election, as well as Elon Musk is a big crypto enthusiast and a serious investor in cryptocurrencies. So these are the people who join together. So that's why it's moving up. Simply because investors believe that the big players are there in the crypto also in public, like they are showing up that they are getting transaction by crypto, collecting money by crypto, so everything done in crypto. So due to that, investors and even the retail traders or retail investors, they believe that the crypto is a good place to grow up. So there is a lot of room to grow up. So Bitcoin hits 82,000 mark. So 82,000 is a good, it's a very good resistance level. Let's go with Euro Swiss franc. Again, you can see Euro Swiss franc is moving down. All the Euro pairs are falling like a hell. AD Swiss franc, Australia Swiss franc look like it just retested the high low. Might have chances to move up once again. AD Swiss franc. Canadian Swiss franc, the resistance. Still, it also looking like it also looks like it have more chances to break this resistance level. So wait for the confirmation of breakout. USD Canadian dollar might consolidate for a little bit, but it have more chances to break the top. But wait for the confirmation of breakout at the at this major strong resistance. So this resistance is there very strong since from 2022. So since from 2022, this USD Canadian dollar is trying to break this 1.39 level, which is very difficult to break. So if it breaks this level, you can expect another 7,000 points up until 1.46. So USD Canadian dollar, it's in a very strong uptrend. Oh, let's look like this one look like a high, but more than this channel, I believe that the resistance is very important. The horizontal resistance is very important. If it breaks, you can expect more up. So you can see all the USD pair is getting strong, including USD Swiss franc, and then USD CAD, Australian Canadian, Euro Canadian, Pound Canadian still hesitating to fall, but if it breaks, it can fall more. Well, JPY, Pound JPY is also remaining at the same level. It just rebounded from the high low. Looks like JPY have more chances to all JPY have more chances to move up. Again, it might have chance to touch the all-time high, or it can even create an all-time high if Japanese yen becomes so weak because the Japan government didn't increase the interest rate for a long time. Just recently they have increased the interest rate, so that's why we saw a bigger correction right over here in all the Japanese yen pair. You can see bigger correction. Wow, 27,000 points, which is around 2,700 pips in just 18 days. So it's quite a bigger correction. So looks like now the market has made a complete correction till like 60%, 75. I believe we can expect some more correction over 75, from 75 to 50. It's possible. But if JPY remains weak, then we can expect another breakout of the high. It can even create high, new high. So pound JPY have more chances to move up. They have a lot of room to move up, but Aussie yen still in a very strong resistance and support zone since from 25 years, from January, yeah, from January 2000 to till the 2024 end. So this is now about 2024. So since from last 24 years, Australia yen is moving in a moving between the resistance and support, simply between 60 to 110 or 107. So this might get changed very soon if the Japanese yen doesn't increase the interest rate or anything, because the Japanese government is not taking any action or anything for uh, supporting the financial system. They are doing their own job, like they are on their own. Like if US economy crashes, the Japanese yen still remains very safe asset, because investors see Japanese yen as a safer asset. But right now, Trump got elected, and more investors believe that Trump can make the US dollar strong again. That's why the Japanese yen is getting weaker. It is a fundamental reason. Well, this is might have more chances to move up, and Canadian Japanese yen still in a very strong uptrend. So all the Japanese yen had chances to move up, except this Euro JPY. Euro JPY is unfortunately falling because Euro is very weaker compared to Japanese yen. Quite crazy. So Australia, New Zealand saw that it was moving in an ascending channel. Well, Swiss franc JPY just hits the 60 level, and then we can expect one more up. There's a room for space for one more up, and Canadian JPY still might have a chance to move up more, but wait and see. Don't take any trades right now. but just wait for the confirmation. However, it looks like it has broken the resistance, so we can expect a upward movement on the Canadian JPY, but it is consolidating. You can see resistance, support, and again resistance, again trying to reach the support. So it can, it might fall one more. However, it is moving in an ascending channel, so wait and see. Aussie US dollar, more chance to move down. So euro is very weaker comparing to all the pairs. Euro is very weak. Pound is a little bit stronger. Euro, New Zealand, pound. Well, gold has already reached the lower level. I think we have checked all the currency pairs, most of the currency pairs, including major and cross currency pair. The gold and silver still moving in a very strong downtrend because US dollar is very strong. So looks like Euro USD is also good for selling. USD have more chances to move down, more spaces to move down. Pound USD also have more chance to move down. Bitcoin, if it breaks the $82,000, we can expect Bitcoin to reach next to around like 87,000, 90, and then it can reach even 100k. But it takes time. It won't reach immediately. It might take time. So wait for there is no like